Hi, today we are going to learn about solving two linear equations in 2 or 3 variables with substitution. Let's look at a problem. Solve negative 2x minus 5y is equal to 4, x is equal to negative 5y minus 3. So substitution method means taking the value of one variable from any of the equation and substituting it in the other equation. So I have x is equal to negative 5y minus 3 here. So I can substitute this value in the first equation. So I'll get negative 2 times negative 5y minus 3 minus 5y is equal to 4. Negative 2 times minus 5y plus 10y. Negative 2 times minus 3 plus 6 minus 5y is equal to 4. 10y minus 5y. 5y plus 6 is equal to 4. Subtracting 6 both sides, we get 5y is equal to minus 2. And dividing by 5 both sides, we get y is equal to negative 2 by 5. And now we can put this y value in this equation. X is equal to minus 5y minus 3. And we can extract the x value. So x is equal to negative 5 times minus 2 by 5 minus 3. 5 and 5 strikes out. So minus of minus 2 is plus 2. Minus 3, that's minus 1. So minus 1 comma minus 2 by 5 is the answer, which is the answer in the D part. Next problem. Solve negative 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 4x minus 2. So let's put the y value in the first equation. Minus 3x plus 4 times minus 4x minus 2 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3x minus 16x minus 8 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3x minus 16x is minus 19x. Minus 8 is equal to minus 3. Adding 8 both sides, we get minus 19x is equal to minus 3 plus 8 is 5. And dividing by negative 19 both sides, we get x is equal to negative 5 by 19. We can put this x value in the second equation in order to get our y value. So y is equal to negative 4 times negative 5 by 19 minus 2. This is equal to 20 over 19. And 2 can be written as 38 over 19, which is equal to 20 minus 38 over 19, which is equal to minus 18 by 19. So our answer is negative 5 by 19 comma negative 18 over 19, which is the answer in the B part. Next problem. Solve negative 5x plus 2y plus z is negative 2. X is equal to 20y plus z minus 38 and y is equal to 3z plus 5. Now I have 3 equations here and 3 variables. So let me first of all put the y value in the second equation. And since my y is in terms of z, I'll get my x also in terms of z. So I can say x is equal to 20 times y is 3z plus 5 plus z minus 38. So x is equal to 20 times 3 is 60z. So 20 times 3z is 60z plus 20 times 5 is 100 plus z minus 38. So x is equal to 60z plus z is 61z. Plus 100 minus 38, that's 62. So I get x in terms of z and y in terms of z. So we can put both of these values in the first equation. So minus 5x, x is 61z plus 62 plus 2 times y. 2 times y is 3z plus 5 plus z is negative 2. So 5 times 61 is 305. So this is negative 305z minus 5 times 62 is 310 plus 2 times 3z is 6z plus 2 times 5 is 10 plus z is equal to negative 2 minus 305z plus 6z plus z. 6 plus 1 is 7 minus 305 plus 7 is minus 298. So minus 298z minus 310 plus 10 minus 300 is equal to minus 2. Now adding 300 both sides, I get minus 298z is equal to 298, and dividing by negative 298 both sides, we get z as negative 1. So my x is 61z, that's 61 times minus 1 plus 62 minus 61 plus 62, that's 1, and y is 3z plus 5, that's 3 times minus 1 plus 5 minus 3 plus 5, that's 2. So x is 1, y is 2, and z is minus 1, which is the answer in the B part. I hope you can practice more problems on solving two linear equations in 2 or 3 variables with substitution now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.